to Vlogmas Day 2. In today's video, I will be cleaning up my house. I'm gonna do like an after hours, after dark cleanup. And then at the end of this video, once my house is clean and in order, I will show you guys how I decorated for this holiday season. So if you guys are excited to see how I decorate, let's go ahead and get this started because my house is a mess and I really need to get to cleaning. So let's go.
It's an early December morning. No one but we are. We look out the window as it's starting to snow, and I realize as you hand me the door, we got by. Falling just like these snowflakes, tumbling down, round and around. I'm falling just like these snowflakes, falling for you, falling for you. Hadn't counted on love for Christmas. This caught me right off guard, but I ain't complaining. It's a wonderful present, a gift that comes in the shape of a heart. And I'm falling just like these snowflakes, tumbling down, round and around. I'm falling just like these snowflakes, falling for you, falling for you. And if I were to make a wish upon a star, would it be too much to ask? A place forever in your arms, and for this moment to last. Because I'm falling just like these snowflakes, tumbling down, round and round. And I'm falling just like these snowflakes, falling for you.
So I just finished quickly cleaning up the house. I'm not gonna vacuum tonight because I did vacuum earlier this afternoon. And I'm not gonna mop because I'm tired, it's late. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick rundown as to like how I decorated my house this year. There's still a few things here and there that I wanna put up, but once it is totally complete, I will show you guys. It's nothing, you know, like drastic or anything else, but just like a couple wreaths that I have that I don't really know where I wanna put them. So yeah, but basically pretty much everything is done, so I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Starting with our banister, Jada really wanted to wrap the entire banister with garland, and I think that it looks really nice. I want to string some lights up here, but I'm not sure if I'm going to do that or not, but I might. I didn't do much to the kitchen, but we have this really cute little Christmas countdown that I got from the Target dollar spot, and it was $3. And it's really cute because you just slide the wreath as you count down. So yeah, I thought that was really cute and it's something for the kids to do. And in the middle of my island here, I made my own little floral arrangement. I think this is like lamb's ear, it's like frosted. I have some berries that I got from the Dollar Tree. And then I have this eucalyptus pick that I got from the Target dollar spot around the fall season. And inside the jar, I just have some acorns and pine cones. And yeah, I thought that this was really cute. I love the green, but I wanted to add a little bit of the cranberries in here. And these are actually really pretty coming from the Dollar Tree. They're almost like frosted-like. I think they're really cute. So I also added some icicle lights, just those regular outdoor icicles, and I put those on the top of the countertops, and I think that it looks really, really nice in here, especially when the light behind me is turned off. It just looks really cozy. On my letterboard over here, I wrote this cute little saying, "May your days be merry and bright," and I thought that it looked really nice, especially with these excess icicles that are kind of hanging back here that I really can't pin up. But I was like, you know what, it kind of goes with it, I'm good. And then over here I have like a little hot cocoa station. So my Keurig, none of us really drink coffee. John drinks coffee every once in a while, but I bought hot cocoa and I think everybody's had hot cocoa every single day since we bought it. And I got this sign from Ross. It was $5.99. I thought it was really cute. And then I have this really pretty, I don't even know if you guys can see it. I have this really pretty flocked wire, like bristle brush Christmas tree that I got from the Target dollar spot. I'm pretty sure, and I think he was like $3. I think that's it for the kitchen, so I'm gonna go ahead and start in the living room. I covered my pillows in these velvet burgundy throw pillow covers that I got from Amazon. They look a lot more red on camera, but they are definitely burgundy. I have some velvet hunter green ones as well. I just have to put those on the pillows. And then over here, I have this really cute Christmas tree that I actually got from the Facebook Marketplace last year. And it was a set of 2. This was a small one, and then it had a bigger one, and I got them for $15 for both. And then I have my wax warmer and this cute little sign that says North Pole Reindeer Sleigh Rides and Old Fashioned Hot Cocoa. I got that from the Target dollar spot as well. I think it was like $3. Over here, I have my aloe plant, and these 2 really cute. I think they're like scented little statue things that I got from Marshalls or TJ Maxx. And I have a gold reindeer and a little silver and white Santa, and this sign that says Dashing Through the Snow that I also got from the Target dollar spot. They really had a lot of stuff this year that was really cute. So if you guys have not checked out your local Target dollar spot, you definitely should. And these little figurines, I got this one from Marshalls. He was only $4.99. And this one came from, looks like TJ Maxx, and that one was also $4.99. I just really like those. My theme is kind of like mixed metals with a little bit of like traditional, you know, green, red throughout. I really like that look. So underneath my TV, this is probably my favorite part of the house aside from the Christmas tree. I have a lot of stuff that I reused from the year before, like these ceramic Christmas trees that you see, this one, and then this little snowman on the end. And then my garland that I've had for like 2 or 3 years that I just kind of like draped over the back, and I think it looks really pretty. These houses, if you guys saw my fall home tour, I got these from the Target dollar spot, and I left them out because they're really cute and they're just plain white, so I felt like they would go with the Christmas decor. And then these cute little bunches of like cotton, cranberries, and like pine. I got these from the Dollar Tree and they were only $1, so I got 2 of those. And then here is our Christmas tree. I'm using my cranberry throw that I also had out during the fall season as like my tree skirt because I wanted it to look really pillowy and fluffy. But here is the Christmas tree. I absolutely love it. Day 1 of Vlogmas, I showed you guys us decorating the tree. So if you want to see a more in-depth, you know, like just us decorating it, you guys can go ahead and check that out. A lot of the ornaments came from Target, and then I picked up a few this year, like these really pretty beaded ornaments, as well as these beaded snowflakes. I got those from not Dollar Tree. I got those from Hobby Lobby. And then I also got a pack of these icicles from Hobby Lobby as well. And I wanted to try something different this year and use picks because I really wanted the top of the tree to be very glam. So I actually got these gold picks from Dollar Tree, and then this, like, it's not rose gold, it's lighter than gold, but not silver. I got that from Hobby Lobby. Our star is from Target, and then these little twigs that you see are from Hobby Lobby as well. They came in a set. And the other twig I really don't know what to do with because it has like berries and stuff on it. But I really love the way that the tree came out this year. And I really like that you can see the reflection in the door. I think that it is really pretty. And then up there, I want to add a little bit more, like maybe like some lights or something, but I have that Joy little statue plaque that I've had for a couple years. My best friend got that for me, one of my really good friends. Our middle name is both Joy. Both of our middle names are Joy. So she saw that and she got one for each of us, and I think that it's really cute. It has like some sequins on it, but since I've had it for so long, a lot of it has fallen off because it sheds like crazy. So, all right, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Vlogmas. Make sure you are subscribed and your notifications are on so you don't miss my next video. It will be up on December 5th. So make sure you stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.